Most AI image generators can create pictures, but very few understand taste. Higgsfield Soul 2.0 is different. This isn't a generic AI image generator. It's a culturally aware, fashion-native foundation model designed to produce realistic AI photos that feel editorial, intentional, and distinctly human. In this video, I'll show you my full workflow inside Higgsfield using Soul 2.0, generating campaign-style images, building a consistent AI character with Soul ID, exploring presets, and creating cinematic, fashion-forward visuals. Let's get into it. Higgsfield is one of the fastest-growing GenAI platforms, built with one mission: to be the most creator-friendly AI ecosystem in the world. Instead of chasing generic outputs, Higgsfield builds specialized models with personality and direction. Soul 2.0 is their own foundation image model, built specifically for creative, fashion-aware, and culture-native image generation. Let's start with the core Soul model. I'll enter a prompt describing a fashion editorial scene, including mood, lighting, era references, and styling. What makes Soul different is that it understands aesthetic language. If I reference Wuzai Hui 2K Street, portrait, film grain, or coquette styling, it doesn't guess. It knows. Let's generate. This is what you get after generating. You can clearly see the details that I mentioned in the prompt have been executed amazingly by Higgsfield Soul 2.0. You can also see her facial details and other features of her dress very clearly. Now let's test Soul's camera and medium awareness. I'll reference shot on Kodak portrait film, slight grain, soft flash, disposable camera aesthetic. Notice how the grain, color science, and lighting feel intentional. Not like a cheap filter, but like a shot medium. Soul understands the difference between a Polaroid vibe and a digital camera vibe. That's what makes these images feel photographed, not generated. Comparing the image side by side with the previous output, you can clearly see the difference in them. Just mentioning camera type and other technical details, Higgsfield Soul 2.0 recognizes it and gives the output accordingly. Now let's move to one of the most powerful features: Soul ID. To create your new Soul ID character, select Create Character and then upload more than 20 images of your subject to get the best results. Once your images are uploaded, you can name your character and then click on Create and wait till your Soul ID character is being generated. With Soul ID, I can upload a subject once and maintain visual consistency across generations. Now I'll use my generated character and create multiple images, different presets. You can see consistency in character in all the images generated. This is critical for campaign shoots, personal branding, AI headshots, character-driven content. I'll upload a reference image and generate multiple variations. Notice how facial structure, features, and overall identity remain consistent, even when changing outfits or backgrounds. This is how you build a consistent AI character. Now let's try Soul Reference. This mode allows me to keep the vibe or composition of a reference image while generating something new. Now upload your reference image and click Generate. After generation, you can see that Soul Reference has got every detail from the reference image. Here's a comparison between the reference image and the generated image. This is perfect for matching, campaign aesthetics, mood boards, editorial direction, fashion eras. Instead of copying, Soul translates the energy and creative direction into a new image. No matter which image you want to recreate, Soul Reference does it perfectly and fresh for you. Soul 2.0 launches with curated presets like Y2K Street, Theatrical Light, Asian Nostalgia, fruitager arrow, and more. These aren't filters, they're trained aesthetic directions. Let's try a couple. I'm going to try the Y2 K Street preset, theatrical light preset, flash editorial preset, Asian nostalgia preset, and siren preset. Here are the results. Notice how each preset shifts not just color, but styling, posing, attitude, and cultural nuance. This is where Soul feels like a creative collaborator. What really separates Soul from other models is cultural awareness. It understands internet-native aesthetics. It understands fashion eras. It understands TikTok visual slang. It understands editorial conventions. Most models flatten niche aesthetics into costume. Soul renders them correctly. That difference is subtle but powerful. Higgsfield Soul 2.0 isn't trying to be a general-purpose AI image generator. It's designed for creators who care about taste, direction, and cultural nuance. From realistic AI photos to consistent AI characters using Soul ID, from campaign-ready visuals to aesthetic exploration. This is one of the most advanced AI photography systems available today. If you want to try Soul 2.0 yourself, check the links in the description and explore Higgsfield. This isn't just AI image generation, it's AI with taste.